In this video, I will show you how to simply lock a specific app on any Android phone. Let me show you how. First thing first, go ahead and make sure you look for your Phone Master. Open up your Phone Master on your Android phone. And the next thing you want to do is to simply scroll down right here, then navigate to Privacy and Security right here. So under Privacy and Security right here, go ahead and click on App Lock. Enter your security lock pattern. Then it will take you to all apps that you have on your Android phone. So from here, you can easily lock a specific app on your Android phone. Just like so. So how can you lock a specific app on your Android phone? All you have to do is to simply turn on this particular button right here. And with that, you have fully locked the app. So if anybody wants to have access to the app on your Android phone, it will ask for a security pin or your lock screen before they can have access to that particular app on your Android phone. You can lock as many as possible specific apps in the sections right here, because this is where all the apps you have on your Android phone is being stored in your Phone Master. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks about Android topic like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.